Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome to my YouTube channel Beer and Watches. Now on today's episode, we've got another edition of WWN Weekend Watch News. Lots of stuff coming up in this episode that you don't want to miss. Now time's a ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hey guys, Matt Johnson here, and I'm your host of my YouTube channel, Beer and Watches, where I bring you the very best in watch news, watch reviews, and craft beer brews every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, question is, why not? Because if you love watches and you love beer as much as I do, or one or the other, then this is the channel for you. Click on the subscribe button over there to the right of the screen, or maybe it's that way, or below this video if you're on your mobile device. Now, on today's episode, I have lots and lots of cool weekend watch news for you coming up just in time for the weekend. Now, the first thing on my list is the Pagani watch. This is the Yachtmaster Homage. Kind of looks a lot like a Yachtmaster to me. Anyway, I ordered this on AliExpress. It came in at only about $94 Canadian, including shipping, and it came in and I showed you, we packaged it last Friday on Weekend Watch News. Well, I'm wearing it, I've worn it for a week, and I absolutely love it. And I just want to let you know that the full review of this watch is coming up on Monday's episode right after the weekend. So make sure you don't miss that. If you want a good quality, well-built watch for under $100 that looks a lot like a Rolex, an Homage, then this might be the watchmaker for you. So that's coming up on Monday. In other watch news, the Darth Vader bust that I was building out of cardboard. I showed you my progression. I think it was last week and the week before. Well, it's finally finished. This Saturday just gone, I sat at the dining room table for 12 hours and I finished the bust. Take a look at this. How cool is that, guys? All made out of cardboard, printed out by hand, cut by hand, glued together, and there it is. I think it looks amazing. It's now in my Star Wars man cave. It's got pride of place and I absolutely love it. It took me about 30 hours to build this, all told. And if you want to try this papercraft hobby, which is very, very cool, you can actually download this Darth Vader head. It comes as a PDF with the design inside, and then you print it out and you cut it out and you glue it together and all that fun stuff. It was a lot of fun. So I'm going to put a link in the description below this video where you can go on Etsy to get that. It cost me about $30. I don't make any money off that, guys, just so you know. I just had a lot of fun doing it. So if you want to do something that's a little bit different, kind of fun in these COVID times right now, go check that out. Next on the list is the beer I'm drinking today. This one is unusual. This is from the Phillips Brewing and Malting Company, and this is Cran-Gerine Dream. It is cranberry and tangerine ale. How's that going to taste? Well, I thought we'd give it a try. If anything, the packaging of this kind of drew me to it in the store. It comes in at 5% alcohol volume, 473 milliliter can. And if you want to check these guys out, you can go right here to phillipsbeer.com. They're based in Victoria, BC, Canada, which is the island in the province that I live in Canada. It's our capital. I thought we'd give it a try. I've never had a cranberry and tangerine beer, so let's crack it and try it. Here we go. Cheers to the weekend, guys. Don't forget to crack your favorite beer, put on your favorite watch, kick back and relax this weekend. And if you don't drink beer, well, then crack your favorite soda. But just make sure you're wearing a watch and you relax. All right, cheers. Let's give it a try. Oh, woo! That is a lip smacker. You know, it's funny because I don't particularly care for sour beers, but this one's not a sour. Well, it's a little bit sour, but it's got this really nice citrusy flavor about it. Maybe you want to check this out. Go to phillipsbeer.com. Again, I'll put that link in the description below this video, and check out the Cran-Gerine Dream. I actually like it. What else? Look what arrived. Another watch arrived in the mail, and I have no idea what it is. Well, I think I know what it is, but we're going to open it together right now. Cha-ching! So let's cut this open. We'll find out what this watch is, and then we'll do a full review of it coming up on my channel, Measure, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but anyway, this is what I think it is. Let's have a look here. Yeah, there it is. This is the drum roller watch. I really like the look of this, and I wanted to get one because it's really unusual. It's got these drums on it that roll around to tell the time. I got this on a leather strap. I think it's a real leather strap. You know what? This is astounding. For the price I paid for this, guys, I am blown away. I expected it to come and feel like a cheap plastic watch, but this is really nice. This has got a beautiful thick leather band on it. It's got a really nice, good, solid, stamped with the logo, stainless steel buckle. I am super impressed with the build quality of this watch. I can't wait to get all this plastic off and see the drums on that rolling around. I'm going to be doing that. A full review of this watch will be coming up sometime soon here on my channel, so watch for that, guys. What else? Oh, my friends over at Maker Watches, make sure you go there and subscribe. I'll put the website right there. I'll also put a link to it in the description below this video. Go there and subscribe to their website, Maker Watches, based in Canada. They're making beautiful watches. Oh, my dog's here. You want to come up? Come on, buddy. Come. There you go. Yogi the watchdog. Yogi, who's that? Is that everybody on YouTube? Make sure you go over to their website. Again, I'll put it in the description below this video. They are giving away a $100 gift card every single week. All you have to do is subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe to them. Doesn't cost you anything. And then you can get in that draw every week for that $100 gift card. They've got some beautiful watches. And I did a review of one of those here on my channel. Go scroll down and you'll see it's not that far down in the list. Oh, my friends over at StrapsCo, I told you about it last week. They've still got their Christmas sale going on. Make sure you go check it out. Some great savings. I believe like 15% off, 25% off, 35% off. Great savings on their stuff. I cannot speak highly enough about StrapsCo. Their straps are beautiful, and we'll be getting some more in again for review on my channel soon, so watch for that, including a metal strap with a quick release pin, and I've never seen that before, so that'll all be coming soon to my channel. Finally, I searched the internet because I thought there's got to be some great Christmas watch deals out there, sales on for Christmas for this holiday time of year, and indeed there are. I'll put links to these Christmas sales in the description below this video. I don't make any money off these. I just found them online and I wanted to bring them to you so that you can go on these websites and maybe pick up on some of these Christmas sales. So Joma Shop right now has got a Christmas sale on. Fossil Watches has also got a Christmas sale on. Creator Watches has got a great Christmas sale on. Again, I'll put links to all of these websites in the description below this video, so make sure you go check them out. Momentum Watches have got their 12 days of Christmas. We showed a Momentum dive watch in my episode on Wednesday of best dive watches under $200. So go check those guys out. They've got some great deals on. Watches.com have got their year-end clearance sale on as well. All those sales are going on right now just in time for Christmas, and they've got some incredible deals. So make sure you go check all those out. Again, links in the description below this video. And again, I don't make any money off those links. It's just me wanting to give back to you guys. I found these great deals for you, so I hope you enjoy them. That's it for this episode of WWN Weekend Watch News. I hope you enjoyed it. I've had a lot of fun bringing all this information to you. I can't wait to review that drum roller watch here on my channel. Watch for the Pagani review coming up on Monday. I think you're really going to like this. This is my first Pagani watch, but I'm telling you right now, this won't be my last because there's some great features in this for not a lot of money. Kick back, relax, enjoy the weekend. If you are drinking, drink responsibly. Not long to go now. I believe it's a week today to Christmas Day, so we're almost there. Have a great time, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay well out there, and we'll see you all again on Monday. Oh, and by the way, if you enjoy this video, please do leave me a thumbs up. It means the world to me. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to know if you would ever drink cranberry tangerine beer, or have you had a sour beer? Let me know, and let me know what your thoughts are. If you haven't seen it yet, enjoy this video right here. That's a good one. Yogi's scratching, and don't forget to click on the Beer and Watches logo right there to subscribe. Yogi and I will see you again for another episode on Monday. Bye for now.